Hey guys, so this is going to be an unusual video because this is from a company I've been wanting to demo some of their stuff for a long time. This is BigTreeTech, and during the Raspberry Pi shortage, they actually had a board out there that they were recommending. They do a lot of stuff with 3D printing, as you can see here. And again, I've been wanting to demo some of their stuff. Well, right now it's Amazon Prime Day, and you can save a lot of money on gear to make your 3D printing, uh, awesome. Make stuff a lot easier. So head over to Amazon. I'll put a link in my description. But again, this is a group that they got some stuff that I really want to play around with. They got a CSM4 board I really would love to play with. And then again, like I said, during the Pi shortage, they had a board out there that you could mess around with. And as you can see as I'm going through this, they got all kinds of stuff for 3D printing. So again, right now, Amazon Prime Day. Today is July 16th and tomorrow's July 17th. Go out there and give them a look. I mean, like I said, there's some monitors, all kinds of fans, stuff for 3D printing. And I can tell you right now, they got a lot of stuff going on and a lot of savings. So give them a check out. Until next time, this is Terrapup. Peace.